What's going on? Smart Egg and back with another awesome video. Right, click the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Right, so can you see this daily gainers right here? That's exactly what I'm about to expose you to. Look at this daily gainers right here. 65,410% just for 24 hours. Don't worry. The next one is what? 10,977%. And the next one is 6,463%. That's exactly what I'm about to expose on this video. For you to get this kind of gains, there's a way to go about it, and that's exactly what I'm about to expose on this video. Click the like button if you haven't, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And before 3 months, you should get yourself acquainted with most of the stuff. Let me say 80% of everything in the crypto space if you subscribe to this channel though. Alright, so let's head into the chart and let's go to live news pairs. So this is where the magic happens. Look at this live new pairs right here. Can you see this live new pairs? This is where the magic happens. So this is where everybody comes on board and buy this. Look at 55%. How many minutes ago? And you can see any crypto project here. Any crypto project that they just launched. You can see it real time. Yeah, 13 minutes ago. 36 seconds ago. You can see that crystal clear. Everything is real time. 18 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago. This is real time, right? So this is where most of the people come to partake in all these crypto projects. So what they literally do is they come here, and this is specific for decentralized finance. This is specific for what? Decentralized finance only. So you can see what this coin is doing right now. Not up to an hour, many minutes ago, it has performed 42%. So this is where most of the people come to invest in, because this is real time that we are talking about. And the same way you can make a lot of money, that's the same way you can lose a lot of money if you don't know what you're doing on this space. So let me show you something very, very interesting. You can see what the token price, and I'll explain all this as simple as possible. You can see what initial liquidity right here, and the total liquidity right here. Initial liquidity and the total liquidity. Let me show you something very interesting. So you can see that the total liquidity right here is what? 13K. Look at this. Let's cite some instance. This M-Doge right here, 13K. You can see what the pool amount they eat. So it means that it's Ethereum chain. That's where this thing is launched. So Ethereum chain, don't ever forget that. You can see what 4.26 ETH. That's the remaining pool right here. So initial pool and the remaining pools, because people tend to pull out their fund, and you want to compare this initial pool and the remaining pool. All these gains, you can actually verify all these things. You know what I'm saying? You can verify all this. So you can see the contract address right here. You can see the contract address not verified. So you really need to look at. I think I'll make a detailed video as touching that, and that's why you have to click the like button and subscribe, because this is the way you prevent yourself from losing a lot of money. Because if you invest your money into any scam coin out there, trust me, you're going to lose your money. And so let me show you something. This M-Doge that we talked about, it has rock pool. This is real time right here. This is, let me go back, because we really need to look at this stuff. The same way you can make a lot of money, that's the same way you can lose a lot of money. The first part I showed you, the very juicy part, the first time. I've not shown you this part before. And this is a part you really need to be aware of. Look at this rock pool right here. This is something I used to cite. Example, 20 minutes ago, rock pool. You can see that crystal clear. That means the person has cash out with loads of cash, because this is real time. This is where people come to check any coin that is available so that they can invest in and quickly take out their money. We are talking something about a minute to 1 hour, 2 hours. or 24 hours, because the coin is definitely going to spike immediately it's been launched here. A lot of people are looking into all these coins that I'm talking about. So immediately a coin is being listed, people are going to invest a lot of money. That's why you can see what 39% right here. And this is what I used to cite on, is that you can see that this person has cashed out 96% of the total liquidity. So this person has cashed out with other people's cash. See, the same way you can make money in this decentralized finance space, that's where you can lose a lot of money. You can see all this percentage right here, 330%. You can see that crystal clear. Let's go and check the hours. 40 minutes ago, not even up to an hour, this Duke, look at it, crystal clear. This is real time. So the same way you can make a lot of money from all this percentage, that's the same way you can lose a lot of money. And look at this wanted right here, rock pool, 100%. The person has removed what is cash from the liquidity pool. So you can, if somebody has removed the cash, is total cash from the liquidity, you can't withdraw anything. So you are just left with the worthless coin. You can't use it to trade anywhere, because it's true coins that they use in forming liquidity. But I think I will need to talk about all these things. That's why you have to smash the like button and subscribe. And I'm definitely going to see you on the next video.